Hello from Penny's Kitchen. Simple dinner tonight. We have grilled sausage and peppers, and we're going to show you our fantastic cast iron grill pan. So one of the most basic kinds of pans in the kitchen is cast iron. It has been around forever. It does a lot. It stays on your cooktop. It also goes in the oven. Right now I have this on an induction burner, so that's another plus if you've got an induction cooktop or some burners that are induction. So I'm going to get these onions and peppers ready to go. I started already, and all I did was take a pepper and slice it all the way around. So we've got these pieces of pepper, and they're going to go, okay, this is a must-have in the kitchen, you guys, for food prep, our rapid prep mandolin. Because look at that. That was really like a whole pepper. This is another half of, this was a really giant pepper. And then I've got a few small onions I'm going to put in there. I did like two big peppers, 3 small onions, and a package of chicken and spinach sausage, which was a local handmade sausage that I use. So it's really clean. I like to cook really clean. Look at that. That is super fast, and that was all just peeled and prepped on our cutting board. Okay, let's pull this into view so you can see. And this is our grill pan. It's a nice size. It's about 12 inches. It's our usual interesting shape. I actually put the grill press on the top to help me get some spectacular grill marks on my sausage. So this was an already cooked sausage. I love using that. It makes it really easy. I just put a little bit of avocado oil in the cast iron pan, and you want to use a high smoke oil. Like avocado is a great one. You can use grapeseed too, but I happen to like using avocado. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but it's got grill marks on there, so you got to trust me on that. And now we're going to put our veggies back in, or our veggies in, okay? And that is so great because this vessel will hold really a lot, because that was 3 small onions and 2 peppers. And then we're going to cook this down, and I don't know how quickly we're going to cook this down. Let's bring it up a little bit. And I think I'm going to put this cover back on, the grill press back on, to push my veggies down, even give it more heat contact. So so we have different sizes of cast iron. This is the grill one, so it's got the grill ridges. It's great for grilling steak or grilling chicken or grilling fish, but we also have them that don't have the grill marks on the bottom, and I do a lot of chicken dishes in there where you can sear on your cooktop and then put it in your oven to complete. So all that is going to happen in this recipe is I'm going to heat this through, let the vegetables sweat a little bit, and then I'm going to toss them around. I'm going to add back our sausage, and I am then going to add just a little bit of Rayo's, and this is new in the catalog. It was part of Taste Buds, and this was so popular. It's our crunchy garlic crisp, which is great for doing really anything. You can do it on chicken, you can do it on veggies, and we're going to sprinkle that through. So this is my super easy and really very healthy dinner. Just another dinner idea for you guys.